Hey, this is Jim. It's 12:24 p.m. in San Francisco, California on May the 24th. Please note that all discussions, analysis, and information presented are for general informational and educational purposes only and should not be construed as financial or any other form of professional advice. I'm going to make this really fast. So it looks to me, obviously they did not track my intraday zone of strength today, the exact opposite. I want to show you sort of a dead simple possibility here of what's going on. Here's your January 6th low. You can see this up, down, up, and then they run through stops here. This is a previous low, so they run through stops and then pump. You get the speed line attack right there. Here's what we've been doing here off of this most recent pullback low. We moved up, down, up, and if they want to run stops here, early tomorrow morning, most likely we attack this 455 hidden retest level, which you can see from this down, up, lower low that creates this valid downtrend line here. And then you can see the fast market move straight through. You didn't have the bull versus bear battleground take place. So that's a valid hidden retest. There's also this gap down here, sort of technical analysis 101, which could be filled. But if they want to run stops, bare bones minimum makes sense to me that they'd hit this 455 retest level. And then if they really wanted to spook people and gut the stock, they'd move down into this gap fill and then turn around and have the pump leg. The bad news as far as upside percentage move is that, pump move back to the speed line. It would only carry us back up to, call it 675 into the second week of June. And if you look at the stock, it's held pretty consistently around the speed line attacks in these prior pumps. This is a little throw over here, but not huge on a percentage basis. So you get the attack, you get a little spiking wicky throw over. This one reversed pretty much right off the speed line attack. And this last pump, again, a tiny throw over, but nothing much to speak of. Now, if AMC does sort of bare bones minimum, what I thought it would do over the next 3 weeks, we'd overthrow and move up toward that 803 Anemoi monthly trigger. That makes more sense to me, and that wouldn't be too far out of the realm as far as, just typical overthrows on a speed line. But you can see how they've crushed velocity here. And also, you see how long it's taking to trace out this leg compared to the way it was traced out last time. This up, down, up sequence was about the same, but now they're really, really slowing down the algorithm. You guys can go look at the 25 tick bars if you want to and see how slowly those are being built. And that's, basically shows you if they're speeding up or slowing down their algorithm. And obviously, when they speed up, it means you're getting ready to make big explosive price moves. When you slow down, it means they just want to grind and stay in a range. I'll show you real quickly what they did with the velocity. Nice little trick by these guys, and just shows the total control they have in the stock. So this is the wedging volume that we've been looking at for the past week. And we had that really nice volume characteristic here where we did a 2.3 million share green bar to paint through the, we did a 2.9 million share green bar to paint through the 2.3. And then we had that 3.621 yellow, meaning it was a flat bar to bar close. And then what we wanted to see is, and obviously you get this increasing volume spikes as you break out of this downtrend. So everything's working perfectly, but they came in and they, after a really nice move to the upside right out of the gate, they came in and painted that bar with that first hour bar with a 3.827 red. So they engulfed our yellow slightly. And so now this is our new bogey. We need to do a 3.827 green bar, or greater green bar to paint through this and take us out of this sideways hell that we're in right now. No reason why it can't happen. And I just showed you guys, I would prefer at this point, based on the levels we're at, to go ahead and see them gut this thing down to that 455, hit that hidden retest level, take care of it, run through that stop, and then put us in a better position to turn around and take off. If that happens, you guys keep a close eye on that 60-minute bar volume. And the whole thing could happen in the first hour of trading tomorrow. We could go down, run stops, hit the hidden retest level, move back up, close green. The first 60 minutes in paint, something larger than a 3.827 volume on that first 60-minute bar. The whole thing could be done. Anyway, we'll see. They're in complete and total control, total manipulation, nothing new. That's it from my side. Good luck.